Welcome to SigmaNEST. Each stage of the manufacturing process affects the next. Being able to track data and see how the shop floor performs could be the difference when making money on a job. However, the initial time and effort it would take to set this up, well, most people don't really want to think about it. Trying to reach your Industry 4.0 goals should not be this difficult. The good news is Simtrans takes out the complexity for you. Simtrans has a server and web-based solution that monitors your company so you don't have to. Easily sync your front of office ERP or MRP system all the way through to the person shipping your products. Get live updates on inventory status, work orders, job statuses, tracking parts throughout the shop floor, or see when items have shipped and left the facility. Come be a part of the most powerful solution in manufacturing software today. Visit SigmaNEST.com to learn more.